When you're searching for specific keywords, you might be flooded with thousands of results. It can be overwhelming and time-consuming to sift through all that information. This is where terms and connectors come into play. They help you narrow down your search and find exactly what you're looking for, faster and more accurately. These are the key terms and connectors available on our platform to help you refine your search. Now, let's take a closer look at how each of them works in action. Now, let's take a look at how the AND connector works in practice. Let's say we're searching for cases related to medical negligence, and we also want to ensure that compensation is part of the results. To begin, we simply type in medical negligence, and we notice that the search returns over 4,000 results, which is quite... To narrow it down, we use the AND connector and search for medical negligence and compensation. This is where we see the power of connectors in action. The number of results is reduced by almost half, showing only those documents where both medical negligence and compensation are mentioned together. This makes the search much more focused and relevant. We will now see how the W/P connector works. This helps us find results where both search terms appear within the same paragraph, making the connection between them more meaningful and contextually relevant. We will now see how the W/P connector works. Let's say we've already narrowed down our results to just over 2,000 using the AND connector. Now, if we want to refine it even further and specifically look for documents where medical negligence and compensation appear within the same paragraph, then W/P is the right choice. When we search using medical negligence W/P compensation, we can see the results drop further to around 1,300, showing us more focused content where both keywords are discussed closely together in the same paragraph. We will now see how the W/S connector works. This connector helps you find results where both search terms appear within the same sentence, making the relationship between them even more direct and specific. We will now see how the W/S connector works. So far, we've narrowed our results down to around 1,300 using the W/P connector. Now, if we want to be even more precise and only look for documents where medical negligence and compensation are mentioned in the same sentence, we use medical negligence W/S compensation. As we run this search, we can see the results are further refined to just under 1,000, giving us highly focused content where the two terms are closely linked in context, often indicating a stronger legal or factual connection. Now, let's look at how the W/N connector works. This connector allows you to find documents where one term appears within a specific number of words, represented by N, of another term. This level of precision is perfect when you're looking for highly specific legal arguments or tightly related discussions. After using W/S, we had just under 1,000 results. This means we're now seeing documents where medical negligence and compensation appear in the same sentence, giving us a much more focused and contextually relevant set of results. Now, by applying W/3, the search becomes even more refined, bringing the results down to around 200. These are the most relevant documents, where medical negligence and compensation are not just mentioned together, but are closely connected in the text, often indicating a direct legal or factual relationship. And once we've narrowed down the results using connectors, we can refine the search even further using filters. For example, we can apply filters like jurisdiction, courts, and timelines to focus on a specific set of documents. This helps us drill down to the most relevant cases or materials based on the legal context, location, or time period we're interested in, making the search highly targeted and efficient. As you've seen, using connectors significantly narrow down your search results and help you find the most relevant information quickly and efficiently. If you'd like to explore these connectors in more detail, you can refer to the search tips section available right here on the platform.